Hello students, so today we're going to do quadratic expansion in algebra. So first of all, we need to understand what exactly an quadratic expression is. So quadratic expression is an expression in which the variable has a power of 2. So for example, y square plus 2, y square plus 3y plus 4. So these all are quadratic expressions. Okay, so we're going to see that how we do the quadratic expansions in this case. So we'll pick up one example and then we're going to move on from smaller, like easier example to a bit difficult ones. Okay, so let's do the first one, which is expand t plus 2 and multiply by t plus 9. Okay, so how we do this? So here we look at this first expression, then we look at the second one, and then we multiply the first one with the second one, which goes like this. So t into t plus 9, and remember the sign, plus 2 into t plus 9. Okay, so once this is done, so we multiply this t with this t, so this becomes t square plus 9t plus 2t plus 18, and then we're going to bring like terms together. So this becomes t square plus 11t plus 18. Okay, so that's the first example of an expansion. Okay, so now we're going to pick up one more example. So that will be y minus 5 into y minus 8. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? So first again, there's a negative sign here, two negatives, so when they're going to multiply, they will become positive. So this will become y into y minus 8 minus 5 into y minus 8. So this will become what? Y square minus 8y minus 5y. Now this negative is going to multiply this negative, so this will become what? Plus 40. That comes together, so this will become y square minus 13y plus 40. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, so far we have seen that in all these cases the coefficient was always a unit coefficient. So for example, it was y. Okay, so now what happens when there is a non-unit coefficient? When I say non-unit coefficient, that is something like this, 3y, 2y. That means there is a number which is multiplying by the variable. Okay, so we're going to look at those examples now. So let's pick up the first one, which is 3t minus 1 multiplied by 5t plus 2. So here we can see these are non-unit coefficients. Okay, so now how we can do it? The method is the same. So we'll do 3t, this whole, the first term of this, we multiply by the whole second, plus 2 minus 1 into 5t plus 2. Okay, so again, so 3t multiplied by 5t will become what? 15t square. 3t multiplied by 2 will become plus 6t. This will become minus 1 into 5t will become minus 5t, and minus 1 into plus 2 will become minus 2. So this will become 15t square. Like comes together, so plus 6t minus 5t will become plus t minus 2. So this will be the final answer. Okay, so let's pick up one more example of a non-unit coefficient. So for example, we got 3z plus 5 into 4z minus 10. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? Again the same thing. So we'll do 3z into 4z minus 10 plus 5 into 4z minus 10. Okay, so this will become 3z multiplied by 4z will become 12 square minus 30z plus 20z minus 50, and when this solve this will become 12z square minus 30z plus 20z will be minus 10z minus 50. So this will be the final. Alright, now the next topic is The next topic is expanding the squares. Okay, so how we do expansion of squares. So for example, what is x plus 1 whole square? So, okay, so in this case, what we will do, we multiply the same term 2 times. So we do x plus 1 into x plus 1. So this will give me x into x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1. So which become what? X into x will be x square plus x into 1 will be x plus 1 into x will be x plus 1. So this will become x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Now there is an easy way to remember the expanding the squares as well, which is if we remember the two important formulas, which are a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we remember these two formulas, it will be very easy for us to do the expansion of squares. Okay, so let's pick up one example. Suppose it says expand 4x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so now in this case, what is the value of a? So this can be written in the terms of a minus b whole square, where a is equal to 4x and b is equal to 2. Okay, so now it's in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can directly be written as 4x minus 2 whole square is equal to a square, which will be 4x whole square minus 2 times a, which is 4x, times b, which is in this case is 2 plus 2 whole square. Okay, so this will become 4x square will become 16x square minus 2 into 2 will become minus 4 into 4x will become minus 16x plus 4. So this will be your final answer. Okay, yeah, so it's very easy. Instead of doing 4x minus 2 times 4x minus 2, you can directly use the formula as well, okay, to solve this kind of questions, right? Okay, let's pick up one more example of a plus b whole square now. So that will be expand 2x plus 4 whole square. So what is the value of a in this case? A will be 2x, and what is the value of b? B will be 4. Again, applying the same formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This will become a square. So this will be written as 2x plus 4 whole square can be written as a square, which is 2x whole square plus 2ab, which is 2 into 2x times 4 plus b square, which will be 4 whole square. So this will become what? 4x square plus 2 times 4 is 8 times 2x is 16x plus 16. So that will be the final answer of this kind of things, right? Now sometimes in expanding of squares we tackle a different kind of questions. So for example, the question is expand 2 plus 2b whole square and use this to find the value of 202 whole square. Okay, so how we solve these kind of questions? Okay, so first of all, we will use the same formula, a plus b whole square. So this become 2 plus 2b whole square. What does this will become? This will become a square, which in this case will be 2 whole square, plus b 2ab, which will become 2 into 2 into 2b plus 2b whole square. Right, yeah. So if you can't remember the formula was a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is where it is coming from. So this will become what? 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8b plus this will become what? 4b square. Okay, so the answer is 4 plus 8b plus 4b square, or you can twist it around as well and you can say this 4b square plus 8b plus 4. Okay, now the question is, how are we going to solve this? Yeah, using this. Okay, so in this case, if we can write 202 in form of 2 plus 2b, can we do that? So let's see. So 202 can also be written as 2 plus 2 times 100. Yes or no? So this can be written as 2 plus 2 times 100 whole square. Okay, so now clearly we can compare this with this. So the value of b is what? 100, and we can use that value there. So this will become 4 into 100 square plus 8 into 100 plus 4. So this will become what? 4 into 1000 plus 800 plus 4, and the answer will be 40,800. Okay, so this is how we tackle these kind of questions while using expanding the square. I hope this is clear. Okay, thank you.